The previous video was about the creation of alarms and how to display them. But maybe your project needs more than just to show an ongoing alarm. To get the information about what happened, you or your customer needs an alarm history. This video is about how to set up the alarm history in UNIQO HMI. For a better understanding, we recommend to watch the previous video regarding the alarms. An alarm in UNIQO HMI is an event. To get a history of all alarms, we need a tool which records the alarms, similar to a data logger. But instead, we will use an event logger. There are two ways how to create an event logger for the alarms. The first way is via the library. Open your library, select MISC, and there's a predefined alarms event logger available. Just drag and drop it to your loggers folder. The other way is to create this event logger manually. Open the context menu, select New Event Logger. And on the right side of the event logger, you can change the property. First thing we have to do is to specify that this event logger should only record alarms. Add a dynamic link and select the right type. In our case, it's an condition type and it's the alarm condition type. The events and also the alarms are fully compliant to the OPC UA specification, and that's the reason for this structure which you see right now. Select the alarm condition type, and now we have to specify which elements of an alarm we have to record. Go to the small icon on the right side, and here you see the list of available fields you can record. If we compare to the predefined alarm event logger, there you can see which properties were selected, what kind of alarm information is recorded. Nevertheless, in both cases, we have to specify a database that the records can be stored somewhere. So select New at the context menu of the data storage, create an embedded database, and we have to drag and drop this to the property of the database. Now go to the UI folder, and we have to insert a new page for our alarm history. I will use an existing template. Make sure that all the settings on the right side are according to your needs. Open the alarm history page, and there's another element which we will use from the library. In this case, it's the widgets, and there's the alarm history grid. Just drag and drop it to your screen and adjust it to your needs. Now we have to tell this alarm grid or the alarm history grid that it show the data from the alarms event logger. So drag and drop the alarms event logger to the alarms event logger. Before running the project, we have to make sure that our page is reachable. So go to your navigation panel and drag and drop your alarm history to the navigation bar. Now let's see how it works. First, we have to enable an alarm. So just select one of your alarms. And now we can go to the alarm history. And here you can see all the alarms which occurred during my session. Are they active? Are they acknowledged or confirmed? Thanks for watching.